Hello guys, I will show you how to your project export with Android in Github. I show you one project in Github how to export in Github. Our file available. This is my main project in this object name book. I was to export. So already is here in it, and this is my video. And I will show you. I share the project on. So create a repository automated. And yeah, here is the description. Your project. This is a book project. Is a represent is library, one type of book library. So I will given to my description and share this project. Here creating repository. Yeah, here is a message is available. Here GitHub is all the file available initial commit. What was that? Mainly all the file list available, and you can select, or you can all the select here, or any kind of select here, and any kind of select here. So you can all the file is submit in GitHub. Here is available. So check directory here. Here is available book. Okay, I will created automatically. Android Studio created that directory, and also my project available that all the directories in, also all the file description in this file, all project related detail file. What can for this available simple library. Yeah, even to a small description is a library. This app is present is a library, and so all the on this task, and that all task in this file description to detail. So yeah, I show you all the project is here. That file is here. You read me. Coding is a programming language. Also, all detail is here. The one type of local network and local storage to cloud server storage you can access anywhere. That's why you are used. So you can see that all the file. Okay, done. I will show you one book related. This is my application class, so I show you my application class is in this detail area. To see your main book and core. Book is application class, and all the detail is here. So yeah, this is the main reason for I given to all the details and how to import that project in GitHub. So are you learn, and you have to learn, you want to learn some new knowledge knowledge regarding GitHub. So you can start with a new opportunity, and yeah, thank you. And I commit that project, so initially commit is available, is done. So yeah, this and can any kind of issues GitHub related, and any kind of questions, so you can directly comment and I respond it, and I reply it that comment. So thank you so much and welcome.